And now, here are some other new products coming soon to market. For the first time in 60 years, Nutella will launch a brand new US exclusive flavor called Nutella Peanut. You will not be able to get this until spring of 2026. Crunch White will make its glorious return in the fall, and it's being spotted right now as I am currently filming this. Butterfinger will also launch a new marshmallow flavor in the fall, and it's already hitting store shelves right now. And I already have them. Butterfinger Marshmallow. Earlier, they had a salted caramel flavor. Here's my review on that one. Hello everyone, my name is Oreo Boy, and today I will be showcasing the Butterfinger Salted Caramel. This has a Butterfinger, the classic Butterfinger flavor, but it's wrapped in a salted caramel coating. It says crispy, crunchy, and peanut buttery. See, this is what it looks like. Let's try it. That is good. Ooh, wow. That salt doesn't come till the end. That is nice. That was good. Has a nice, like, caramelly, butterscotchy flavor. Sorry, that was a lot to chew. It's peanut buttery, crispy, crunchy, sweet, and definitely salty. It gives off butterscotch vibes too. This is good. I like this. I'm gonna give that like around a. It is sweet, but it's not too sweet. And I'm glad it's not like artificial butter caramel flavored. It's not too strong, but it is very sweet though. So I'll probably give this like around a 9 out of 10. So, this is the new butterscotch, this is the new Butterfinger Salted Caramel. Now here's the rest of food news, the Sweet and Snacks Expo. In 2026, Butterfinger will launch a French toast flavor. Next year, Peeps will also collaborate with Pop-Tarts for a strawberry Pop-Tart flavored Peeps. The brand Snack Club, which makes a bunch of snack mixes and gummies, will launch ramen flavored snack mix. Corn Nuts will also launch a line of partially popped items. These are basically a cross or halfway point of a nut, of a corn nut, before it turns into popcorn. So it's kind of like the between stage. It's like not really popcorn, but it's almost popcorn. I know, it's kind of confusing, but that is cool. So, partially popped. You can get them in stores right now. And speaking of popcorn, the Snack Factory has launched a new line of products called Pop-Ums, which this is a cross between popcorn and pretzels. These are also currently available right now. The Sweet and Snacks Expo will return in 2026 in Las Vegas, a brand new location for the Expo. I'm your host, Carlos Bustamante, and I am here for these innovations. See you guys on the next episode. Let's recap real quick. In part 1, we talked about filled ropes. Here's some lemon head ropes. We also talked about Nerds gummy clusters. Hello everyone. Now I will be trying pizza. What a lot of pizza, the best pizza place on earth. With one of the trendy topics, hot honey. So basically I am gonna torture myself right now. So there's hot honey on this plate. I'm gonna dip it in here. Okay. Let's see. Hopefully I didn't put too much on. Okay, let's see. That is a bold honey flavor. That's good. I am getting the kick of heat. But it's interesting because it starts off sweet at first and then it gets... it tastes like honey at first and then the spice kind of creeps up on you. And honestly, it's not too spicy. This is not spicy. Or it's only a little bit spicy. Surprisingly, I've had other hot honey products that were spicier than this. So, it's actually a good combination. I like the sweet and spicy combination. Or, spicy. That's a combination of the word sweet and spicy. So I say I'm gonna give that combination. Honestly, probably. This is gonna be a surprise. I'm gonna give it a 9 out of 10. So hope you guys enjoyed this video. And Oreo Boy is out. And this is the brand of hot honey.